A lot of parents are really starting to prioritize their baby's brain development. So it's one thing I get so many questions about. I know my baby is only a month old, but what can I do to help promote brain development and teach my baby everything they need to know? Let's jump onto my computer and I will show you a chart that you can download and print so that you always have ideas of different activities that you can do with your baby. All right, so here you will see a chart for activities to do with your babies from birth all the way to 6 months old. So you're going to see activities for visual play, auditory play, and tactile play. So all of these things are going to help with your baby's brain development, social emotional development, physical development, all the things. So make sure that you take a look through all of these, print it out, laminate it if you can, put it on your fridge or anywhere that is easily accessible so that as your baby grows, you have all of these activities already planned out that you can do. And this is also a great thing to do with this is to have it on hand so that if your child is having a particularly emotional rough day, then you can have different experiences or different activities for them to do that can completely change the scenery and that will also change their mood. So keep all of this in mind and keep it all on hand and you will be good to go.